Hi, my name is Heloise Greeff, and this is my investment journey on eToro. So I chose eToro for its transparency. You can look into other people's portfolios. You can really see where people are putting their money and not just what they're talking about. So I have a long-term investment strategy on eToro where I compound growth and I look at macroeconomics. The hardest part of my journey has been to keep evolving my strategy as markets change. You want to do that in a way that is very conscious but not reactive. So the key turning point for me, I think, has been in this current summit where I've had multiple people come up to me who said that they've started by copying me and now they're also investors on the platform. So that's really shown the power of learning from each other and learning from the community. Most valuable lesson I learned is to have a strategy and to be disciplined. And for me, it was to stay away from day trading. The market is constantly evolving, and so we constantly have to keep adopting. But having a strategy that you keep as your baseline is really important for the decision-making process. So copy me on eToro to get long-term, consistent, compounded gains and to grow your wealth with mine.